Today, we're creating a vintage look using the film reel burn effect in CapCut Mobile. This gives your video an old school damaged film feel, like it's burning at the edges as it plays. It works great for retro aesthetics or dramatic transitions. Let's get started. First, import your clip into CapCut and tap to select it. Now, head to the bottom toolbar and tap Effects next. Choose Video Effects. Remember, in CapCut Mobile, the effect is applied directly to the clip. From the categories, open the Split tab. Here, look for the effect called Film Burner and tap to apply it right away. You'll see a warm glowing burn animation appear on top of your video, giving it that old film reel look. This adds texture and a nostalgic feel to your footage. To customize it, tap again on the effect. You'll see a speed slider. Increase speed to make the burning animation feel more chaotic. Decrease speed for a slow, cinematic burn. After adjusting, you can also drag the edges of the effect on the timeline to control how long it appears during your edit. And that's it. You've added the film reel burn effect in CapCut Mobile. Simple and great for retro style edits. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile editing tips.